Hello, Dr. Rugenstein here. This is another one of those in-office talks, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. It's been about a month. I started my channel up again at February 11th. I've put out 90 videos and I have 76 subscribers, so I can't complain. Not really. Of course, I wish I could get back quicker, but you know how that goes. But I appreciate everybody that's subscribing and watching. In some cases, rewatching. I'm trying to line up with some interviews that I lost along the way and see if I can redo those and bring those back. Been putting out about 3 videos, old videos, a day. I did put out a new one, update 4, on the rebuilding of the Livingston Avenue Bridge. Swing bridge is going to be now a lift bridge, and that just came out, so take a look at that. Otherwise, I'm progressing. Again, I appreciate all the help and the support. Many people have written to me and are rewatching the things and the videos, and I really appreciate that more than you know. Historically, I guess if you want to think of it, we're in a pretty historical point in time. We seem to be at war, or whatever they want to call this, with Iran. I know I went out and got gas today, and it was $3.15 a gallon, something like that, which kind of surprised me. But you know, that's what's going on right now. I'm just hoping everything settles after a period of time. I don't think it will. Historically speaking, as a cultural historian, I think we're going to have some hard times coming up for this foreseeable summer, at the very least. We'll see what happens after the summer, but gas prices will be up, I'm afraid, for this time period, since the news I'm getting from around the world is that the Straits of Hormuz is closed, or is closing up quite a bit. Lots of bombing going on both sides. Israel's getting bombed quite a bit. Iran's getting bombed quite a bit. Our bases are getting bombed, and then every place else out there in the Middle East is suffering in some case or another from all this. And we're going to suffer here back home. We might not be attacked or anything of that nature, one would hope. But one never knows when you're at war. Not causing sides or anything like that. This is where we are right now. Sorry about straying into that, but let's face it, it's in the news today, and it's hard not to have something to say about it. In any case, I'm hoping that we get through this period quicker than I expect. Getting back to the channel, I shouldn't have gotten straight off there, but getting back to the channel, I'll be videoing a number of different things and bringing up new things. Look at the posts that I put up on the channel. The playlists are there. And check out the shorts. I've been putting up some shorts also. And again, you have no idea how much I appreciate my subscribers and those who watch. I try to answer every comment. I figure if you're taking the time to watch me, I should take a little bit of time to at least say thanks. And so comment, please comment. Hit the like button. You know, they talk about this algorithm thing all the time. And apparently if you hit the like button, it tells YouTube to promote my videos more. So I would appreciate that. And of course, subscribe and ring the bell if you want to know when the next video comes out. And again, I get rotating through all types of different ones. Some's about trains and canals and cities and interesting places. Troy, New York history is coming up. I've got one coming out on Miami Beach in Troy, New York, and where it used to be, and it's long gone now. But in any case, thank you. I appreciate it, and have a good day.